What's up, guys? Glad to see you guys back this week. Today I'm going to do a review on the Empyre South hood. A couple weeks ago I talked about what welding hood I use and ones I've used in the past. And just recently we got this Empyre South hood that I wanted to try out. This is not a sponsored video. I paid for this welding hood. We just like to shout people out and help other small businesses out. But this hood is, I think it's $140. I think I paid $148 with taxes and shipping and everything. So not bad for having to get it shipped and everything. And it comes with, it's just the pancake and the box. It don't come with a strap or anything to keep the lens in. That is probably the only downfall that I've seen so far with this hood, the little that I've used it. I love it. I love it so far because it's lightweight. I like the look of it. Whenever I first saw this hood, I seen it on the job I just come off of. And a buddy of mine was wearing it, and I was like, dang, that is a sweet looking hood. You know, I like the texture of it. It's got a glossy finish on the inside and kind of a rougher finish on the outside. But just everything about it, like in the right light, it just looked real cool. I was like, daggum, like I just really liked the way it looked, you know. I was like, that's slick, you know. And it's got these rivets up here, which kind of adds, you know, just the color of the rivets kind of go with the black hood. As far as I know, he's only got black ones, but real good guy to work with, real honest guy up front. I mean, he tells you all that whenever you order it, that it doesn't come with the strap and the lens holder and whatnot. So, but real upfront guy. Like him. We follow him on YouTube, on Instagram. I think he's got a Facebook, but you guys can go to empyresouth.com to go check out these hoods for yourself. Like I said, I haven't used it just a whole lot, but I did get it sanded down to fit my face real good. And I've used it in the shop. I mean, enough to know that I think I'm gonna like it. I really do. Mostly because it's comparable to what I'm used to, which is the Steve Fenton hood right here. 10 inches in diameter. Same, everything's practically the same size, and it's a little different, but I mean, it's practically the same size and lightweight. Lightweight. And I really love it. You guys should totally go check Empyre South out, empyresouth.com. Check out what he's got, look at it for yourself. And I think that's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it was helpful for yet another option for a pancake to use. So hit the like button if you like this video. Share it with somebody. Help Empyre South out. Get the word out there. Nothing better than dealing with small businesses and down-to-earth, honest people. So we like to support them kind of people. So anyway, go check him out. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. We'll see you next Friday. Thanks. Good Lord. What's up, guys? Happy Friday. Hope you guys have had plenty of coffee this week.